Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hi Krisan, welcome to IWM Buzz. How are you?
I'm good, how are you?
Amazing. So what's happening, Krisan? What is keeping you busy after Tu Aashiqui?
After Tu Aashiqui, I actually went on a 2-day trip with a few friends and immediately, we went, the entire cast, we went out, we had a blast and then a friend called and they were like, let's go out of town. I was like, chalo, 2 days I was gone. Everyone's like, where are you? Came back again, we had a Tu Aashiqui get together because we miss each other so much. And today I did a photo shoot, so I've been doing lots actually.
Okay, so a lot of things are keeping you busy.
I'm going to forget tomorrow night for my friend's bachelorette.
Oh, nice, amazing. So, how was the experience working for Tu Aashiqui?
It was great. Like, in the start, I was like, oh my god, what is gonna happen? Because Guru sir expected, this, psychotic, crazy, I was like, how do I do this? And somehow it was a lot of fun playing Rangoli.
Nice.
Breaking shit.
Nice. So you like such type of characters, such wild characters?
I like doing different stuff. So before this, I did like the whole Bahu in Sasural Se Marka. Before that, I did Class of 2017. I was a schoolgirl. In Kaise Ye Yaariyan, I was a diva. So in everything, I wanted to like do something different where people are like, "Hey, now what is she doing?" So what I'm doing next also, I'm not gonna like tell you guys properly, but very soon I start shooting. In fact, this month only. End of this month. This is also going to be different.
Okay, so what's that next that is coming for audience?
So
a hint that you can give?
A hint that I can give you all. I'm going to be playing a princess.
Oh.
And I'm very excited.
Nice. So we already have few of your fans here online. So we'll take their questions first.
Alright.
So Lalita Dikshit is saying hi to you and she's asking, how was the experience that you already answered? How was the experience working for Tu Aashiqui?
Great. People were great. Pappu sir is the best director ever. And all these guys were so cute. Janat was so cute. Ritvik was such a sweetheart. Everyone. Gauri ma'am was so nice. In fact, we had gone to her place only and she kept a get together for all of us, which was so sweet, dude. It was like a family. I miss them.
Ankit is giving you lots of love.
Hi.
Riya is saying, what's your next project?
Hi Riya. I can't tell you yet. I will put up pictures soon.
Okay, your fan page, Baby Doll Chris has
Hi
said,
Manasa, I know you.
So she said that she bunked her classes for your life.
You know how much I love you, Manasa. You are my baby doll.
Okay, Jayjeet is asking, who's your favorite co-actor?
Hi Jayjeet. My favorite co-actor was actually my boyfriend, Adhish. We did Pyar Tune Kya Kiya together, so he was my favorite.
Okay. Shivangi is asking, who's your inspiration in life?
Hi Shivangi. My inspiration in life is me. How I cope with any situation, how like nothing brings me down. I want to have a kid like me.
Okay, nice. Okay, Devti, her name is.
Hi, Devti.
If I'm pronouncing it wrong, so sorry. So what is the feeling when you go first time in the college and what is the first feeling? Like when you first enter college?
I'll tell you my first experience in college. I'll enter, okay, like a boss thinking I'm all cool and all. And I go there and now what is the girl's biggest nightmare? Thank you so much. What is the girl's biggest nightmare? You enter and someone is wearing the same thing as you. Oh my god, I went out and she's sitting right next to me and I looked at her and she's sitting right next to me. And all of us, like everyone has noticed, I was just like shit. And she thought it was a cute thing. She's like, oh my god, we're wearing the same thing. And I was like, no, it's not a cute thing. My mom, I was like, I'm going to hide in the bathroom. You go anywhere you can, buy me a t-shirt and come here. Like, no. That was my first day in college, guys. I actually have never said that story to anyone before. But that happened.
Okay, that was a crazy one. So Manan, a fan page, is asking, do you miss KYY?
Every day. Every day I go to set, I wish I was in the Kaise Ye Yaariyan set because that show, no matter what work I do, no matter how many shows I do, I still say, oh, Kaise Ye Yaariyan, and then people will be like, I'll be like, no, sorry, Tu Aashiqui. That has happened so many times. So yeah, that is the closest to my heart. I will always remember, like, miss it and miss everyone, obviously.
Nice. Okay, Deepa is asking that any memory or any secret that you can share about Kaise Ye Yaariyan.
Any memory or any secret?
No, that fans don't know basically.
That fans don't know. You all know most most of the memories. Let me think. So there were lots of times where Charlie, Vibha, Neeti and me, we used to dance so much in the vanity that the vanity dada used to come, क्या कर रहे हो बहन? क्या हो रहा है? पूरा vanity shake हो रहा है. You know, someone's trying to do eyeliner, someone's trying to do someone, we're just like, yeah. But yeah, we used to get scolded by the vanity dadas a lot.
Okay, Ankit is asking, what's your hobbies?
Ankit, I love dancing. I love sleeping. And yeah, pretty much about it.
Okay, Lalita is asking how you felt when Ashiki was ending.
Okay, I had a lump in my throat, but then I had this thing that, oh, can't cry in front of people. But I ran into the room and cried for 10 minutes and then came out like acted like I'm normal.
Okay, Raj is asking, what is your aim in life?
Hi Raj. That's a very good question. I don't know. I want to reach a place where no one else has reached before. Basically. That is my aim.
Okay, Megha is asking, what's your favorite food?
Megha, I love pasta and I love butter chicken.
Deepa is asking your favorite hero.
Deepa, if it's in Hollywood, I love Adam Sandler. If it's in Bollywood, Hrithik Roshan. Any day.
Because of the dance.
It's just everything about him.
Okay, a fan is asking your favorite star from Tu Ashiki. Your favorite co-star, basically.
I think Jannat was a great actor. Is a great actor. Every time I'd look into her eyes and we'd have like a face-off scene, this girl would cry naturally. And I'd look at her and just be like, how do you do it? You know how she, and at the right spot, at the right, obviously she has so many years experience. But she just knew how to do it. That I want to learn from her.
Nice. Okay, your fan page is asking, are you watching Vampire's Diaries? And which is your favorite character? If given a chance, which character do you like to play?
Tyler! Oh, I would want to date Tyler, definitely. Oh my god, Michael Trevino is the hottest thing on this planet. I am in love with him. And yes, I do watch Vampire Diaries. And who would I like to be? I mean, Elena, she has Damon and Stefan, like, doing whatever she wants them to do. Like, I like it.
Okay, Tu Ashiki Creations, a fan page, is asking, which song are you humming these days?
There's this song called Cinematic Orchestra. You guys should check it out. It's slow, but it's very pieced out.
Nice. Okay, one fan page is asking, do you watch Kasauti Zindagi Path's show? Have you watched it?
I haven't had time. Please don't tell Path. I haven't had the time to kill me. But I think I'm so proud of him and Erica because I know Erica since like college.
Okay.
I know Path since Kaise Ye Yaar. So I'm so proud of both of them. Like, it's great. And Pooja obviously is buddy. So.
Nice. Describe your bond with Jannat in one word. Runjun wants to know.
Sisters.
Rushali is asking, why are you so cute?
I don't know, ask my mama. I learned from my mama.
Okay, Bhandari is asking, what's your future planning in your life?
I want to work with Amitabh Bachchan.
Today is his birthday also.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Wow. See, now I'm going to end up working with him, guys. Wait for it. Happy birthday, Amitabh Bachchan.
Okay, if given a chance, which daily soap would you like to pick? Disha is asking.
Disha, which daily soap would I like? Nagin.
You want to become a Nagin?
I would love it. Those girls are so hot. It's amazing. I would love to. Like, I've watched a few, glimpses here and there.
Yes.
We don't get time to watch TV.
True.
But everyone looks so hot. Even Mahira's in it. It's great.
Yes. Okay, Runjun is asking, any plans to do any reality show?
No.
Okay, you are a coffee or a tea person?
Tea.
What did you study? Sangvi Dikshita wants to know.
Sangvi Dikshita. I studied, so I graduated from Xavier's and then I went to law school and I did 1 year and I said, no Baba, this is not going to happen. Sorry, thank you, bye bye. And then I gave my first audition and here I am.
Nice. Okay, Tanvi is asking your beauty secret and the secret of your beautiful hair.
My hair is not beautiful, it's messed up, guys.
Now it looks very nice.
It looks very nice. Shower.
That is
Dry. Rickshaw mein blow dry. and here I am. And Sleep lots.
So fans know what they have to do. Shower, rickshaw, blow dry. Okay, Devti wants to know what is your philosophy in life?
My philosophy in life. Oh, whatever you think is real becomes real. So everything that is.
Nice. Okay, Priya wants to know your biggest fear and biggest dream.
Priya, I am very scared of darkness and chickens, like I mentioned before. And what else?
Dream.
Dream. Now there are so many dreams I have. There are 150 dreams I have.
Oh my god.
Now I'll tell you all. So
Pointer.
newest dream, I don't know, yeah. I want to buy a BMW.
Nice. Okay, what's a beauty secret?
I sleep a lot.
तो हमें सबको सोना चाहिए.
When I get time on set also, I'll be like, I'm just passed out all the time.
Okay, Megha wants to know who's your favorite vamp?
Megha, I always will love Komolika. Oh my god, she was the bomb. Was that in Kasautis in the evening?
Yes.
It was great.
Nice. Ria is asking who motivates you in life?
Me.
Myself. Okay, Cherry wants to know, are you coming to Nagpur because you have a lot of fans there?
Cherry! Let's chill. Call me whenever I'll come.
Okay, Vanshika is asking if there would be Kaise Yariya season 4. Would you like to come?
Vanshika, no, I think Kaise Yariya is done now. We can't have more seasons, guys. You need to understand. Or actually, we could. You never know. Anything could happen.
Yes. Ashmi is asking what's his secret mantra, fitness mantra.
Oh man, I used to be really fit, not anymore. But I don't have fitness mantra. It's just like don't be fat. That's it.
Okay, Devti is asking that अगर कोई boy आपको मीडिया के सामने propose करे तो आप क्या करोगे?
If it's my boyfriend, then I'll say yes. If it's not, I'll be like, क्या है?
Okay, they are really waiting for you to be back on screen, although you've just got 2 days.
I start shooting on the 19th.
So you will be back soon. ये बता दो आप उनको.
By December, it should start airing because they're going to take a good time to like set up because it's a little difficult, that scene, and everyone will be shocked. I can't tell you why.
Now I'm really curious to know what it is. Okay, which character do you connect to with the most, Alia or Rangoli? Disha wants to know.
Disha, actually, mostly Alia, but there were parts of Rangoli that I could also relate with.
Okay. Saif is asking what is your annoying habit that you want to get rid of?
Saif, I snore at night. I wish I could not snore.
Okay, Isha is saying that I loved your character in Tu Aashiki a lot. Thank you so much for picking it up.
Isha, thanks man. They kind of like picked me. But thank you so much. I'm really glad I did that part.
Okay, your fan page is asking if given a chance to be invisible, what will you do?
I'll rob a bank. Not only one,
Wow.
like some 5-6 banks.
Good idea.
And slap some people who irritated me. Go to your butt!
That you can do now also. It's
No!
okay.
Invisible, then suddenly you get slapped and they think it's a ghost now. Oh, I'll trouble people, go to their house and like drop shit down. I'll trouble my best friends the most.
Have you experienced any spooky activity in your life?
Yeah. But it was all in my head.
Acha.
Nothing.
Okay, Bhandari is asking any favorite moment spent on a beach.
Favorite moment on a beach?
Yes.
In Bali actually. In Bali, I was there with a few friends and we had the most amazing meal. And we were in Bali and these singers have come and they're just singing Bollywood songs to us. It was great. That was a great experience on a beach.
Okay, nice. So we'll play on this note. We'll play a fun game with you. You have to take this. You have to tell have you done
tricky
it or
ones.
have you done it or not. Okay.
Okay.
So the first one is, have you re-gifted a gift that was given to you? Yes, nice. You want to share? Okay, have you been fooled around with a family member? Never. Okay, cool. Have you ever punched someone? I'm sure you must have.
I sleep with my punch someone. Many people.
So any one thing you have to share?
Okay, so one boy was really rude to my best friend, and then he was rude to me also. So I punched his face right here. He had 3 caps, all fell down. It was fun.
Now you guys don't have to mess with Krisan. That everyone need to understand.
I've become a little non-violent. Gandhiji.
Good.
That movie. Oh God, Munna Bhai is the best.
Okay, the other one is, have you ever pranked someone who was sleeping?
Too many times.
Oh.
Too many times.
On the set?
There's video proof also. Yeah, Charlie especially. I'm pretty sure I threw water in her ears or some shit.
Oh shit.
Yeah. From my mouth.
Oh. Have you ever eaten an entire pizza by yourself? You have?
Cake also.
Where are the fats then?
Metabolism.
Great. Have you ever failed a class?
I have.
Okay.
Many times.
Have you ever walked out of a movie because it was bad?
No. I always give a movie a chance because like I know how much effort is put into it. So I'm just like, I'll stay for the popcorn.
Okay, that's the motivation factor, I guess. Have you ever faked illness to stay home?
Yeah.
Have you ever cried in public?
Never.
Not the shoot thing, okay?
Never.
Okay, good. Have you ever traveled without a ticket?
I mean, yeah. I used to go by train to college. My pass used to expire.
Okay. Have you ever lied to your parents about where you were going?
Every
Okay. Have you ever broken a traffic signal?
Yes.
Have you ever had a crush on a co-star but never told?
No.
Nice. Okay. You're good with songs?
Hindi songs.
Yes. Not?
Why? What do you want me to do with Hindi songs?
चलो देखते हैं आपके टेस्ट लेते हैं हिंदी
Oh
songs के
shit. Let's do this.
साथ. Okay, I'll tell you the English translations of the Hindi songs and you have to guess these Hindi songs. Okay.
English
Your-
translation of
the Hindi songs. Okay. Your
I
fans
want to
will
go
be
live
happy.
on my phone and like connect it.
The live is happening here also.
अच्छा.
So जो आपके fans यहाँ पे यहाँ पे बताएंगे They'll tell यहाँ पे तो मैं आपको बता दूँगी that the answer is this. Okay.
हाँ.
By chance if you don't get it.
हाँ.
Okay.
Help me,
The first one is, what happened to your promise, that vow, that belief? The day my heart forgets you will be the last day of my life. What happened to
क्या
your
हुआ?
promise?
तेरा वादा. Correct?
Yeah.
I got it.
You said it like a line, so I did not understand whether you're singing or you're telling us.
No, I just translated it.
So it's a song that you know, I think so. क्या
Yeah.
हुआ तेरा वादा?
Yeah.
That one. Okay.
Correct.
Okay. The other one is, every second this life changes itself. Sometimes there is shade, sometimes there is sun.
हर पल ये लाइफ ये जिंदगी चेंज बदल करता है.
Every second this life
Hard
changes
second.
itself. You don't have to translate. You sing a song.
हर सेकंड ये टाइम या कभी खुशी कभी गम. I don't know.
Let's see if your fans have guessed it. They're just guessing the previous song. क्या हुआ तेरा वादा? Okay, Disha has guessed it. It's
Disha.
हर घड़ी बदल रही है जिंदगी.
I was close. Shahrukh Khan movie.
हाँ, close. कभी खुशी कभी गम. Okay, the other one is, let's see you guess this. Your and mine love story is difficult, can't be described in 2 words. Your and mine love story.
तेरा मेरा रिश्ता. तेरा मेरा.
Your and mine love story is difficult, can't be described in 2 words.
तेरा मेरा जोड़ी. तेरा मेरा love Shit, I'm so bad at this. Okay.
Love story you have to convert it in Hindi.
तेरा मेरा रिश्ता.
Love story is रिश्ता.
तेरा मेरा प्यार कथा. You said translate.
Prank katha.
Love story.
Okay, your fans have guessed it, so I'll tell you.
हाँ.
It's तेरी मेरी मेरी तेरी प्रेम कहानी. प्रेम कहानी. You प्रेम कथा.
I was close.
Oh please.
I should totally get this one, guys. Tell them I should totally get it. This is injustice.
Okay, your fan Maliha is asking, what do you have to say about Neeti Taylor?
Maliha, Neeti is awesome, man. She's a buddy.
Okay, what are your thoughts when you had the last day in your school? You remember?
Oh, my last day in school was farewell. I was very sad, but very excited that I get to go to college.
Nice. How were you as a child? Like very bubbly, very naughty?
I was a bully.
Really?
I was very naughty. I was a horrible child. If I met me when I was there, I would put one tight slap. I was very bad. I'm not joking.
So your fans are laughing over Prem Katha.
Oh God.
They loved this lady. Okay, Sony is asking that can you please wish Parth for his show? She must have already done it, I guess.
I obviously did.
Yeah.
First day, first show, I sent him. Wow. Kasauti, killing it.
Nice. Okay. A fan page is asking any plans to act in films?
Yeah. Always. They're there only. Purpose production. Very soon. Stay tuned.
Okay, any favorite destination out of India that you would love to go or you want to go?
I want to go to Miami.
Nice. Who's your favorite actor? You have already told, right?
Yes, I have.
Just sending you a lot of love smiley to you.
Love. Lots of love to you guys back. So much entertainment I'm giving you all. Do we have any more song questions?
We have you, but you want to play?
Yeah,
Okay,
sure.
chalo.
I don't mind. This is fun.
Yeah, Prem Katha is fun. Okay, this is a very difficult song. Okay, let's see. Think there is a city of ponds. We would have a house on waves. The sweet dreams we have seen all comes true.
Next, please. Soch. There are ponds of dreams.
Think there is a city of ponds.
सोच ये शहर है पॉन्ड का. I don't know how to translate
Pond.
Pond. True. Next, please. Next.
ये रुकते तब तक आपके फैंस बता रहे. चलो एक बहुत इजी वाला पूछती हूँ.
हाँ.
One hot teacup and somebody to serve it. One hot teacup and somebody to serve it.
एक गरम चाय
And somebody to serve it.
और
This is the easiest song in my entire game.
और कोई I don't know.
One hot teacup and somebody to serve
गरम
it.
चाय और somebody to serve it.
It's Anu Malik's song. I'm giving you hint also. आपके fans are yes, they have guessed it.
Okay, so then we win, guys. You guys got it? I got it. You and me are same to same. There's no difference.
Okay, Lalita has guessed it. It is एक गरम चाय की प्याली हो.
That's great, Lalita. Thank you. You sorted it out.
You don't know this song also?
I-
एक गरम चाय की प्याली हो.
I've heard it.
हाँ. कोई उसको पिलाने वाली हो. ऐसा.
Ooh, yeah. We gotta sing it in the house.
Okay. The other one is sometimes in my heart there comes a thought as
कभी
if
कभी मेरे दिल में
सही है, आपने सही गेस किया।
कभी कभी मेरे दिल में ख्याल आता है।
वाह वाह, बहुत अच्छा।
See,
Clap, clap.
my dad taught me this song.
Okay, nice.
And
Good,
my
you
mother
remember.
taught us song.
Okay, the other one is, now that you have stolen my heart, don't steal my glance. You have changed my life, don't change yourself, dear. Now that you have stolen my
अब
heart.
तुमने मेरा दिल छीना।
छीना?
छीना? No. ले
चुराया,
गया।
चुराया।
चुराया।
Stolen is चुराया।
अच्छा। तुमने
Now
मेरा
that you
दिल
have
चुराया।
stolen my heart,
तुमने
don't
मेरा
steal
दिल
my
चुराया।
glance.
मेरा
You have
ग्लांस नहीं चुराने का।
good. Nobody, no singer is listening to us and hearing these awesome translation that I'm just doing it. Yeah, also you win because your fans have guessed it.
Yay! तूने मेरा हार्ट लिया, मेरा ग्लांस मतलब how do you say ग्लांस का हिंदी? ग्लांस।
Wait, I'll tell you.
देख।
Lalita,
तूने मेरा दिल
guess
लिया,
it.
मेरा देख मत लो। I don't know यार। Next game. This is cancel.
चुरा लिया है
Ah,
तुमने।
okay, okay.
It was that song.
Shit.
Very nice. देख मत चुरा. Okay, Samuel wants to know your Snapchat ID.
It's the same as my Instagram ID. Just add me.
Okay, see, fans are also giving you questions. So Runjun wants to know, guess this song that we are telling you. Please stay for some more time.
जरा थोड़ा टाइम रुको। Please.
Stay for some more time. Even we have to think this. क्या हो सकता है ये?
What is please in Hindi?
कृपया.
कृपया।
But कोई गाने में कृपया नहीं
Please stay for
डालेगा.
some time. रुक जा।
हाँ, रुक जाओ जाने वाली ऐसा लगता है. हाँ, ये हो सकता है. रुक जाओ जाने वाली, रुक जा. This is a song, okay?
I don't know यार।
No, but this is a song मैं बता रही हूँ.
चल ना भी also है।
हाँ, हम भी जीत गए. Okay. Do you have a YouTube channel?
Yes, I do. It's called Prasan Moretto, and I have like a few dance videos on it, but I haven't had the time to put more.
Okay. A fan page is asking, are you enjoying the Navratri festival?
I don't do anything for Navratri. I don't really.
But
know
you can dance, right? So you must be knowing Garba and all. You don't know?
No.
कोई बात नहीं,
I've
बुरी
been
बात
to
नहीं है.
Navratri. No, I've never actually been to one.
Okay. Okay, Krisan B Squad is asking that what does fans means to you?
Kavita, you guys mean the world to me.
Nice. When will you post on your YouTube?
Oh, now it will be a while. I'll mostly post on Instagram only.
अच्छा, वो गाना था, हम दोनों ने गलत गेस किया. वो गाना था तू थोड़ी देर और ठहर जा.
What song is that?
That's a song.
Oh, yeah?
थोड़ी देर और ठहर जा ऐसा.
Ah.
And even
You did.
sorry, हमने गलत गेस किया.
No problem.
Okay.
One lifeline is gone. One left. Or 3 are left now.
Okay. What should I do for that? Okay, a fan wants to meet you, so she's asking what should I do for that?
I don't know. Where are you? Where are you?
Okay, it's from Half Girlfriend, the song. Okay, sorry, we were not aware about
I've
it.
not watched Half Girlfriend.
Okay, the fan page is asking, will you join TikTok?
No, it irritates me.
Okay. Aman Bhatnagar is asking, what is your motto or advice that you live by?
Life is full of magic. You just have to find it.
Very nice. Very nice. Okay. Why didn't you came in KYY3? There's a question for you.
They never asked me to come in KYY3. Guys, ask them why they never asked me.
So they all are waiting for your upcoming project. So they're just asking about that only.
I can't tell you.
What's next? What's next?
I can't tell you yet.
Okay. What's your favorite movie?
Ooh, it's two weird things. So I like The Purge Anarchy and Mean Girls. Like two completely different.
Okay. Okay. Two fans are saying please come to Gujarat. It's a very nice place.
Yeah, sure, it's right here. I'll come.
Hey Rangoli, how are you?
Hi! Should someone saw me Rangolia for so many days. I missed it.
Do you miss your Ishqibaz days?
Yes, of course. Oh my god, those days were so much fun. Everyone on that set is mad. Everyone. We used to just do rubbish on that set. Every third day, chal party. And we'd have a party. I miss all of them so much.
Any favorite memory that you want to share from the set?
Ishqibaz set. There was this one scene where they had to, I had to sit in like this water, and they were messing with me. And they were like, you know, full milk is there.
Yes.
There's a milk water, and I was like, I'm gonna smell like milk. Like my hair is gonna stink of milk. Luckily, when I went there, it was Dettol. But that was my favorite scene ever. Like, and in Tu Aashiki, actually my favorite scene I've ever done was when I got to shoot. It's not aired yet, so I won't tell you who I shot.
Yeah.
But I shot someone, and I got to shoot an actual gun.
Oh.
An actual gun. I put the video up. Check on my account. My previous post.
Nice, amazing. Okay, Shailu is asking your favorite Big Boss contestant. Do you follow Big Boss?
No. Last year, there's a Big Boss again?
Yes, yes.
What?
It's running now on television, airing.
No idea.
Last year, कौन था favorite?
Vikas Gupta. Obviously, guys.
Okay, so Sony is saying I met Parth Sampan. I'm so happy, but really looking forward to meet you as well.
So sweet, man. Tell him I said I have not met him in so long.
Okay, your favorite Vampire Diaries character?
Tyler. Michael Shabina.
Your favorite color?
Pink.
Okay, that's it. On this note, we'll end this session. So you will take a final message from you for all the fans.
Okay.
Tell
What should I say?
whatever you like to say.
Okay. I'd like to say that you guys are amazing, and thank you for getting me to where I am so far. It's because of your love. Thank you for giving me an opportunity to play, like accepting all the characters that I do, because you know, people like watching someone in a certain way.
Yes.
You guys accept the change, and I like that, and like I'll keep making you guys proud, I promise.
Okay, thank you so much, Prasanth, for joining us in this live.
Thank
Take
you.
care. Bye.
Bye.